proud that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London.
Guys, so today meet me for the first time of math by Native that reviewing the FSA test. Okay. Okay. So thank you so much for this website. Okay. Thank you so much for this website that provided me the those questions, those problems of FSA test. Okay. So let's just get it. So this is the first question for today. It says which of the following correctly express the ratio of green balls to the number of total balls? Check all the answer that apply. So let's see the balls. Okay. So it say it didn't say anything. We just see that the total balls is 8. And then the question is you got the express the green balls to total balls, so we just need to see the green balls and how many green balls they got there. 2 here and 1 there, so 2 plus 1 equal 3. Okay, so it's going to be 3. Okay, so we can see here that after we just express the green balls to number of total balls, it's 3/8. And in those choice that we got choose, it didn't have any 3/8, right? It just have 3 2 dot and 8, and then it have 3 slash by 8. So in the computer language and in other side that we can use to represent a fraction over here, we can use 3 and something, I don't know how to call it, 2 dot and then 8, and then we cannot say 3 and then slash by the denominator 8. Okay guys, so you just gotta see which choice have 3/8 or 3 slash 8 or 3 and then 2 dot like this and then 8. Just write it over here. Answer going to be 3/8, 3 2 dot and 8 and then 3 slash 8. Okay, and what is the first choice for us? Choice A. Choice A is 3 2 dot 8. Okay, sure, it's going to be that. Okay, that's the answer. And then we can choose the other answer too. B is 5 2 and then 2 dot and 8. So the B is 5/8, not 3/8. It's not, right? Now it's C. C is 3 slash 5. Okay, they have the collect green ball number, but they don't have the total balls, right? They have 5 that equal the purple balls over here, right? It's not 8, it's 5. It's not correct. Okay, now D. D is 3 slash 8. Okay, now we got the right answer over here, 3 slash 8. 3 slash 8, like I just taught you guys, is equal 3/8. So it's going to be D, the other answer to apply. Okay, just got it guys for this question. Just move to the other question. So the other question is complete the following table by filling in the blanks with a number that shows the correct ratio that is equivalent to the one shown in the first row. Okay guys, this is pretty easy, right? We just gotta see some pattern of the pattern of the table. Okay, so what table shows us the first row is 1 equivalent to 2. Okay, what we see here, and then the second row is 2 equal 4. Okay, and then the third row, oh my god, don't see that. Okay, and then the third row is blah 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 that that we didn't see at all. Is 6, right? It's give us the second row. Okay, this one. And now the fourth row is 4 equal 8, and then it's 5 equal something that we didn't see at all, right? And now the last row is 6th row equal 12. What we see here is every time that whatever number in the first block, right? Whatever number in this table, in this block, going to be themselves. Yeah, it's going to be themselves. Add by themselves, right? Themselves add by themselves equal the second block. So try it out. 1 add by themselves, and themselves going to be 1, right? So now 1 plus 1 equal to, yep, it's correct. Now let's try it out in the second row, okay? Second row is 2. So now let's try 2 add by themselves. So it's going to be 2 plus 2 equal 4. Yeah. Now the fourth row is 4. So like I told you, 4 add whatever number add by themselves goes. It's going to be 4 plus 4. 4 add by themselves, and themselves equal 4. So 4 plus 4 equal 8. Now we see that this pattern look really legit and make sense. So we're just going to try it out in the those table that not filled out. So we see that the third row is 6, right, for the second. So what we gotta do here is thinking about what number add by themselves and got 6. So it's going to be 3, right? Or we can do the other way, like 6 divided by 2 equal 3. Okay, that's good, it's 3. Got it, dude? And now it's fifth row. This is the easier way. It gives us the first block, the whatever number that add by themselves equals second block. So now they give us the 5. 5 equal whatever number they're going to give us. And now the second row equal whatever number that they just give us, add by themselves. So they give us 5. We just got to add 5 by 5 because it's themselves, right? So 5 add by themselves, add by 5 equal 10. Yep. And now the last row here, 6th row. 6th row, they didn't give us the first block, the first table. They give us the second table, 12. Now let's just think about the number that divided by, 12 divided by 2 equal what number? Or whatever number that can add themselves and equal to 12 is 6. So just add 6 over here, and we just got all the question correctly. Now let's move to the last question today, okay? Let's move into the question 3, the question for today. Okay guys, so a school has enrollment for 600 students, and 330 of them students are the girls. Express the fraction of students who are boys in lowest terms. Okay guys, so we can see that it's telling us that this school have only 600 students, okay? Over here, 600 students. And then it's telling us the other information that 330 of them is girls, okay? So we know what? We know that in the school have only 2 gender, okay? Boys and girls. So they just add the other kind of special gender. Okay. So we're just going to add it over here. 330 is equal girls, and what they ask us to do is express the fraction of students who are boys in lowest terms. Okay, so what we gotta do is try to know how many boys in this school are, right? How many of them were learning in this school. So we just got to put the 600 and subtract by 330, so it's equal to 270. Got it? We gotta express those boys in the lowest term. So what we gotta do is bring 270, or the number of boys in this school, and then put the denominator of school, student, right? Denominator of denominator of the student in this school going to be 600 for sure. Okay, this is the answer, guys. 270 over 600, but it's not correctly at all. Okay, it's not correctly at all. Okay, because is asking us the lowest terms. Okay, so the lowest term. Okay guys, so like I teach a lot of students in Thailand that every time when we gotta express the fraction to the lowest term, we gotta do a colonel. Okay, just Thai language. Okay, so but I'm not sure if in America, USA going to have those things. Okay, so we're just going to do the simple way to do it. Okay, so the simple way is we're going to find the number that can divide it both. Okay, that can divide it both number denominator and the boys. Okay, so we found out that the number that can divide both right now is 10. So we got new fraction 27 over 60. Okay, 60. Okay, I mean 27 over 60. Okay, and now what we gotta do is find all the number that can divide that by the 27 and 60. Okay, so we found out that it's 3 for sure. Look, 27 divided by 3 equals 9, and then 60 divided by 3 equals 20. We got it now, guys. Why? Why we sure that this is the lowest term fraction? Because 9 cannot divide it by any number except 3 and 9, right? Okay, and 20 cannot divide by those numbers. They cannot divide it by 3 or 9. Okay, so we can see that now we cannot use any number to divide both of them in the same time. So we got it that the 9 over 20 is the lowest term fraction of this school. Okay, but the boys expressed to the school student. Okay, so we just see if it has a choice for us, and we see that A is 12 over 20. So that's not the answer for sure. And then B is 11. Sorry guys, 11 over 20 is B. And then next is 9 over 20. Oh, 9 over 20 is the answer. Okay guys, just got the answer for this last question. So guys, thank you so much. If you guys just got any knowledge or something from video, just like and then share to your friend or your teacher to promote us. Thank you so much. Okay, to supporting to supporting us. Okay, so oh yeah, so if you guys have any question or the problem in the online school, you know, right? Everybody right now gotta stay at home and then doing their online school, and I know that every online school have a quiz, and the quiz going to have those questions like these 3 questions, right? So if you guys just stucking on it and then don't know how to do it and need the fast help and really need the help to pass the quiz, just tell me all the question, okay? And I'm going to give you the best solution, okay? And give you guys the answer to pass the quiz, okay? So thank you so much, guys. So okay, that is for today, guys. And if you guys just have any question about those quiz that I just gave you guys here, or confused about how to get those answers, or just don't really understand, just comment under the video, okay? Tell us about yourself under the video, okay? Thank you so much, guys. So that is for today. Bye bye, guys. See you guys tomorrow.